am I? Where am I? I'm back. So guys, let's wait a few seconds, right? Let's wait a few seconds. So first of all, I wanted to tell you something really, really important. Okay, everybody here. So the thing I wanted to tell you is, thank you. My first show sold out 100%. That's crazy. That's such a great feeling. Thank you so much for the support and the trust. So yeah, guess where I'm at? Look at this weather. I mean, you can tell it's not Dubai. It is just beautiful, right? So yeah, it's gonna be so nice. I'm here in Germany already. I have a few more meetings before the actual show on Saturday. So raise your hands if you are coming to Frankfurt on Saturday. For all of you guys who've missed it or actually missed buying the tickets, we're already planning the next spot, which I believe will be, I don't know, we're not sure yet. We were, as you've seen in the stories, it's been between Berlin and London, but there's so many messages I've been receiving that we might even go to another city. But anyway, it's not gonna happen over summer because there's kind of a summer break. So it will happen probably in a few months after summer, and that's where we will know. So yeah, let me see with you guys. Guys, and you were asking about my face. I mean, in my last video, I had this this patch here, this band-aid here on my face. I don't know. It was just like a little pimple, so don't worry about it. It's not that bad. Anyway, thank you very much for all these people who have followed No Days Off. No Days Off is, you know, my fitness journey. Yeah, I've been doing this and I've been continuing it. It's not that I stopped. I just stopped posting it because it's just, you know, it's just a lot. If you post every day about going to the gym or every other day, but that doesn't mean we stop. So continue, No Days Off, so you stay healthy. Any other questions? Let's see who's here. Let me check it out. No, Mohammed is here, my brother Mohammed Kareem. Bro, this is not Barari. This is not Dubai. Who else is here? I don't even see. How does this work? Is it like... Oh, it's this way, okay. When are you doing a show in Dubai? Yeah, I would love to. I'm actually planning as well. Dubai is one of the options as well. Dubai is my, you know, my home city now, so I definitely believe it's gonna be a nice one. When? Probably also after summer, because winter is probably the best time to do it. Where are you? Where do you think I am? This doesn't look like Dubai. This is Germany. Check this out. Yeah. Nice, right? See these? We have a lot of these in Germany. This creates energy. Scotland, no, this is not Scotland, but could be Scotland, you're right. There you go. No, but Germany has something really, really famous. It's called the Autobahn. Check this out. So, who else is here? Wales? No, this is not Wales. what does it say? Germany is your birthplace. Yes, Germany is my birthplace. I was born here 25 years ago. So what do we have? Germany, yes. What time is it in Germany? What time is it? It's 7:30 p.m. Italy, no, this is not Italy. So, a little bit about the upcoming show. So it's on Saturday, and it's going to be me pretty much, and we have another special guest. I'm not gonna say who. It wouldn't be a surprise if I told you, but especially the people in Germany, they will know that person. Then there's gonna be some exclusives no one has ever seen about me or heard about me, so whoever's gonna be there will know. We're gonna also reveal the secret formula, and we're gonna talk about business. So it's not only going to be like about me, it's pretty much going to be about business, so you can actually learn certain things, certain frameworks, certain analyses, where you can take something home, right? So this is not purely entertainment. This is actually a bit like school. So make sure you learn something, or you teach me. I'll probably learn a lot from you guys as well. Let's see. You guys have a few more questions I can see. Okay, so here's another question regarding if you could buy the show as a video. This is not going to be available as a video. So this is not going to be online. This is not going to be downloadable. This is only going to be live, because there's a lot of elements which I believe is much more fun when we do it live. So nope, it's not online. Maybe one day we'll do it after probably the whole tour, and we have a new tour, so we'll upload the older one, but I don't have any plans to actually make it available online yet. But we have plans to travel cities so we can come to you guys as much as possible. So yeah, what else? Are you ever coming to Canada? I mean, you tell me. I don't know where everybody is, so we're probably just gonna go by the most popular cities for us, what we see in analytics, and then we'll go by that. But Canada is, I believe, one of the top 10 or 15, I'm not sure. So, alright guys, so I have a few more things to do. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, as you can see, Germany does not really enjoy nice weather now. Just check this out. But it is good to get away from the heat a little bit. It cleanses the air. But enough of cleansing now. It's enough. We have enough. So here you go. Check these gray. What's my email address? It's on my profile. I don't know where you see my profile, but somewhere here, if you click on my profile, you'll see email. That's when you can email, and then I get an email, or the team does, but at least that's where you can contact the team and me. India, yes, India is great. India is gonna happen. And I went to India many times. Actually, I was there last year. So definitely India. Mumbai maybe. Delhi. I was in Delhi. I have never been to Mumbai, so Mumbai. We'll see. What else? What else do we have? What about Africa? So, which country in Africa? I've been to South Africa. I've been to Egypt. So, where? What else do we have? Yep. Australia. Okay, this is crazy. No one knows this. Actually, maybe some people do know, but wouldn't believe it. I have never been to Australia. Yep, let me repeat. I have never been to Australia. Can you believe that? That's crazy. I have to. Afghanistan. I have been invited. I've never been yet. What else do we have? Pakistan as well. Man, where is that? What is Meghalaya? I don't know that. Where is lack of water in Australia? Why? Australians have water. What else do we have? Somalia, never been. Where else? Bremen, my birth city. Of course I've been there. And I should do a show there as well. Definitely, right? Yeah, definitely. I actually was there yesterday. I had a short speech in Bremen yesterday. Whoever was in Bremen yesterday and missed it, you missed it. You missed it. But it was a very spontaneous and short thing. It wasn't like a full-on show, but it was good. But definitely for a show as well. What else do we have? Estland. I've never been. It's cold, right? Isn't it cold there? Switzerland. Of course I've been to Switzerland, but no, Switzerland is definitely going to be part of the tour. Zurich, probably. What else? Which city? You tell me the cities. I'll wait. In the meantime, you can go watch the beautiful weather we have here. There you go. Check this out. Paris. I don't know. Do people know me in Paris? I don't know. Because I don't speak French fluently. I had it in school for 4 years. I never learned it. Really? So I don't know. Do French people know me? I've been to Paris, obviously. What else do we have? Maldives. Yeah, I've been to the Maldives. Maldives is, how beautiful can beaches be? That's crazy. I've been to the Maldives, I've been to Seychelles. Beautiful! Oh, sorry. Wait. What else do we have? Singapore. Okay. Never been to Singapore. People say Singapore is similar to Dubai, like in terms of the skyscrapers and the cleanliness of the city. Should go. What else we have? The best city I have visited? There's no best city. It always depends on the people you're with and the time you're in there and actually what you're doing there. So the city, I wouldn't say I have a best city. Antarctica. Who lives in Antarctica? Like, not that many people, right? It's cold. South Africa. I've been to South Africa before. Cape Town. Beautiful. It was for business though, so I couldn't really enjoy it that much. Yeah, the moon. We have Kenya. Never been. What else? Yeah, North Africa. So I've been to Egypt, but North Africa definitely more. So we have Algeria, Morocco, Egypt, Tunisia, all these countries. I don't know if you know me there. Some people do, probably. What else do we have? Give me more cities. In the meantime, enjoy Germany's weather. There you go. Oh, the Autobahn. Nice. Quwain, bro. Hamed, I've been to Quwain many times. I actually have companies there. You know, Quwain is a relatively small emirate within the UAE. Most of you probably don't know it or haven't been there, but it's beautiful. Has a beautiful beach, and sell any car has been established in Quwain as well. What else do we have? Karachi, Pakistan, never been yet. Have to go. There's so many places I still have to go. I've traveled the world, I thought, but then when you think about it, there's so many places you still can go to, right? Swaziland, haven't been there. Turkey, obviously, been almost every year. Definitely have to do Istanbul. Beautiful. Did you know that Istanbul is the only city in the world which is divided by a sea and is on 2 continents at the same time? Beautiful. What else do we have? South Africa, guys. How many people do know me in South Africa that you guys asked me to come there? I thought it was like 5 people who knew me. Bangladesh, no, I haven't been. Check this out. You thought there would only be cranes in Dubai? Nope. Here as well. Alright guys, I have to you have to see this and then I have to go. Check this out. Beautiful, right? Okay. Take care guys. If there's any questions, shoot me a message. Otherwise, last chance. 5, 4, 3. Russia, definitely been there many times. I'll see you soon.